So here's how to adjust the font size on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So simply open settings. So find the settings app either on the home screen or the app drawer and select it. Scroll down and find display and brightness. Tap on that. And then within the display settings, scroll down and find the font settings option. So select that. Now you should see this page. You should see a slider icon that appears at the bottom of the screen. So this slider icon is the one that you'll use to adjust the font size on your Redmi Note 14. So all you have to do is either slide to the right to increase the font size or slide to the left to reduce the font size. So as you can see, whenever you make changes, you'll see a preview on how it looks like. So find the perfect option you prefer. So let's say if you prefer this option, simply select it and exit, and now the changes will be applied on your device. So that's basically it on how to adjust the font size on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.